Hello everyone, Shirley here, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about the best foods to eat for reducing stress and anxiety. After all, food is medicine. You can pick up your prescription in the kitchen. Food is medicine. Don't worry, you're not going to become lettuce girl here. I won't do it to you. There's a lot of wonderful foods on the list. Welcome to Ageless Wellness Lifestyle by me, Shirley Meerson. All right? Where I talk about everything under the umbrella of stress reduction. Today is food. It might be aromatherapy another time or relaxation techniques. Now, we all experience stress and anxiety in our daily lives. Goodness. And how it has a significant impact on our mental and physical health. Oh, gosh, it just goes on. And so one of the easiest ways to combat these feelings is through our diet. You know, like things have that domino effect. Some stress happens, and then we start to feel weird, and we follow along in the program of the old habits. And if we get a little, look at this girl, good grief. I'm not saying you never can eat any of that fun stuff. I'm saying not on a regular basis and not in that quantity, please. All right? So, you know, stress is going to come. This is a part of living in the human body. But if we arm ourselves with some tools ahead of time, at least we'll be ahead of the game. All right? These tools will help us during these stress attacks. So I'm going to get started with the top 10 foods to reduce stress and anxiety. Hang in there, because good food equals a good mood. And it shines. The health comes from within. Beauty comes from within. So I'm going to go into the 10 foods really quickly, because I know the way the attention span of people is. I'm not going to narrate during that time, and afterwards we're going to talk about the 10 foods. All right, now let me dive into the benefits of these particular foods, although there are others, but let's go into these. Right now, we're going to start with dark chocolate. I happen to like milk chocolate, but I've gotten into the dark chocolate because I know it has medicinal benefits and it has flavonoids. And these help reduce the stress hormones in our body. Let's move on to avocados, which I hope you've been eating for decades. Has a lot of healthy fats containing potassium. It'll lower the blood pressure and reduce stress and anxiety. On to the superfood of blueberries. My goodness, these are high in antioxidants, which helps to reduce inflammation in the body and improves our mood. We always want to reduce inflammation, people. And on to almonds. Now, almonds are a great source of vitamin E, which helps improve our brain function and reduces stress. I happen to do walnuts a lot, but we'll talk about that another time. I love almonds. And salmon. Salmon is a super source of omega-3 fatty acids, which shows to reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. I don't cook fish too much at home, but I'll either buy it already cooked. Now, green tea, you don't have to do some traditional Japanese of frothing it. That's another story. But green tea has L-theanine. It's an amino acid that promotes relaxation. And boy, do we love that. Spinach, one of my favorite green guys, which is rich in magnesium. That helps to regulate our cortisol levels. You know, also known as the stress hormone, the bad guys, the cortisol when it's extreme. Oatmeal has it's a complex carbohydrate. It regulates the blood sugar levels and reduces stress. Please buy the natural kind. It's in the stores. You don't have to get the kind with the sugar ready. And chamomile tea, which I love, and there's another video I'm going to link above to the benefits of chamomile tea. I love teas, but chamomile is a natural sedative, and boy, isn't that the greatest thing. All right? Let's move on to turmeric, which contains curcumin. It's a natural compound that reduces inflammation in the body and improves mood. I sell on my dispensary some fabulous curcumin, turmeric compounds. All of these are wonderful, nutrient-dense foods. So there you have it, the top 10 foods to reduce stress and anxiety. It all goes back to the brain food, or you can call it brain food, and which loves it. Your brain is happy, It's saying, oh my God, incorporating the foods into your diet helps improve your mental and physical well-being. You already get ahead of the game. That's the whole major thing. Now, I know you can do it. Picture this lady is doing it. She just happens to be eating a salad. Maybe she could cook some other wonderful things. The name of the game is to wash away and chip away the stress. Either we already have it inside of our DNA, or we're being affected every day. That's why I have my Ageless Wellness Lifestyle about mindset and prevention and actionable steps to help you. Because good food equals good health equals a good life. This is all about your quality of life. Everything is connected. It's all about the mind-body connection and spirit, of course. And I talk about it all the time. Thank you, lovely people, for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to this channel so I can continue to do my research and bring you all the tips on how to eat and live a quality of life for health span over lifespan. Would you please comment and like? And if you love to schedule a coaching session, we can discuss food for mood. We can discuss other things, but we can start with that. We can do one session at a time. And I am right there. I'm ready to be your mentor and your coach to help you to what changes you want to bring in your life. All right? You can contact me through that website right here, shirleymeerson.com/contact, or shirley@shirleymeerson.com. And by the way, I've just started my Patreon membership. It's a private membership monthly. I've got 4 different tiers of memberships, all the way including the creme de la creme has a coaching session monthly. I really encourage you to sign up for those. Subscribe here and become a member there. You're going to get some things that are never shown. And I send you my wellness wishes always.